Hello, today we're going to be discussing different types of belt sanding, different tools, different applications, and the best KLINGSPOR abrasive belts you can get the job done. The first type of belt sanding that we're going to discuss is platen sanding. This is when a flat bar, block, or plate is placed behind the abrasive belt. This platen is usually covered with some type of graphite to allow the abrasive belt to slide across it smoothly and to help reduce the heat buildup. What you can see behind the belt on this edge sander is the actual platen, coated in graphite. This board is adjustable to allow the user to work on the entire belt instead of wearing out just one part. Edge sanders are mainly used for sanding down smaller flat areas that need to remain dimensionally square or flat, such as table ends or frame edges. Other sanders that incorporate platens are stroke sanders, portable belt sanders, and wide belt machines. A typical application would be around the intermediate sanding. This incorporates a medium flexibility with a grit range around P100 or P120. KLINGSPOR CS310 or CS311 would be the ideal choice for this application. Another type of sanding is contact wheel sanding. This is when there's an actual wheel behind the abrasive belt. This wheel is usually made out of rubber, hard plastic, or metal, and it comes in different degrees of hardness. These two examples of a backstand grinder show a soft and a hard contact wheel. I use a durometer to measure the hardness of the contact wheel. This one is around 30 units, and this one is around 90 units of hardness. The harder wheel that has the serrations is used for more aggressive grinding. In this abrasive world, serrations are a clear indication of aggression because they allow for maximum airflow. The other machine that has the soft wheel, you can see the difference when I push into it. This one is a better choice for polishing, surface conditioning because it allows for more conformability. The different setups need different types of machines and abrasives for them. For the aggressive application with the hard contact wheel, we need a stiff back product to help support the abrasive. A polyester back belt will do the job very nicely. Right here on this machine, I'm running KLINGSPOR's CS411Y on an aluminum zirconia at the P60 grit. For the soft contact wheel, a flexible back product would do. Something like a J-weight, a J-flex, or an X-flex cloth will help produce the best results. The last type of sanding we're going to talk about, it's called slack of belt sanding. This configuration presents the belt to the workpiece with nothing behind it. This allows for maximum conformability and allows the belt to completely wrap around your workpiece. I want to demonstrate this type of sanding with a pipe polishing tool. This machine is used to grind and polish round-shaped materials, such as pipes. As you can see, the belt is pulled and stretched a good bit in this application, so it requires a flexible backing. But be careful, the more flexible, the less durable a belt becomes. What I have on this machine right now is KLINGSPOR's CS310 X-Flex. Today we have gone over the three types of belt sanding that are most popular. This is platen sanding, contact wheel sanding, and slack of belt sanding. Each have different requirements, but also individual advantages for your sanding application. Always remember, whatever type of sanding you're doing or whatever kind of machine you're using, KLINGSPOR has the best abrasive for you. Call us for further information or to get your hands on an abrasive belt today.